Today we're going to talk about equations with special solutions. There are going to be two types of special solutions that you need to remember. You can either have no real solutions or you can have all real solutions. So let's take a look at this. So under a given problem, you have 6 equals 10x plus 23 minus 10x. So if you look at your like terms, you'll notice one of them is a 10x and one of them is a negative 10x, so they cancel. So the only thing remaining in your equation states 6 equals 23. Since 6 does not equal 23, you have no real solutions. However, in example 2, you notice how you have a negative 9p on the left side and a negative 9p on the right side. So if I were to, these actually automatically cancel out because they are the same thing but just on different sides. If I were to add 9p over here, you would end up with 0p. So these cancel, leaving you with 4 equals 4. Since this is a true statement, 4 does equal 4, then you have all real solutions. Meaning, you could plug in any value you wanted for p, and you would get 4 equals 4 every time. Or even you would get the same thing on the left would equal the same number on the right, no matter what your p-value would be. However, on example 1, you could plug in any x value you wanted, but you would never be able to get the left side to equal the right side. So let's try the evens. So if I look here, so I have a positive 6a on the left, and a positive 6a on the right. So since they're the same, they're going to end up canceling because they're on opposite sides of the equal sign. Okay, because if I were to move these over and say minus 6a and minus 6a, okay, they cancel out, leaving you a 6 equals 6. Because this is a true statement, you have all real solutions. Looking at number 4, you need to do a little bit of simplifying first by distributing a negative 2. So negative 2 times 2 is a negative 4m. Negative 2 times a negative 6 is a positive 12. If you were to combine like terms, so a positive 4 and a negative 4, they cancel and give you 12 on the left side equals 12. Again, this is all real solutions. Looking at the last one, same concept. You need to distribute first to get 12 minus 4r. Notice, so you notice how you have negative 4r on the left side and a negative 4r on the right side. So if I were to move these and say plus 4r, they cancel, leaving you with negative 3 equals 12. So because these are not equal to each other, there's no real solution. So that means there's no number that you could substitute for r to make this equation work. Pause the video and try the odds. Check your answers with the following problems. If you have any questions, ask your teacher.